Hi, it's Jesse, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I built a free AI copywriting tool, give you a complete demo on how to use the tool, give you access to the tool, and explain how you can create your own by taking you through the process step by step. So if you want to be able to write any type of copy quickly, easily, and for free, then you're going to love this tool. So make sure you stay to the end of the video because I'll be giving you a link to the tool. We can go and use it yourself right now 100% for free. You know, it's incredible what we can now do with ChatGPT. We can now build our own GPTs. That's exactly what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. So you want to start by heading over to ChatGPT. And as you can see, I'm using the Plus account, which is the paid version of GPT. Now, if you want to use the free tool I've created, you don't need the paid version. You can simply use the free version of GPT and you'll be able to access this tool with complete functionality. If you want to build your own GPT, like I'm going to show you how to do in this video, maybe you want to build a specific GPT with a specific purpose, like writing or editing or designing images or whatever it might be, you'll need the paid version of GPT. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is when we log on to GPT, this is for people wanting to build the GPT, you want to go over to Explore GPTs. Now, ChatGPT and OpenAI a few months ago allowed people to build their own GPTs, which is what I'm going to show you how to do in this video. And a lot of people have. You can search the public GPTs. There's also private GPTs. For the public ones, you can simply type in the search box to find them. You can explore by clicking on the different headings here, the different tabs to see all the different types of GPTs that have been built. You can look for, ChatGPT's own versions that they've created. Look by ChatGPT, they've got DALL-E, they've got a creative writing coach, and so many others, right? So that's if you want to explore all the different wonderful GPTs that are already being created. What we can look up here is my GPTs. You can also create your own. We're going to be looking at one I've created earlier. So as you can see, we've got Scriptwriter here, and Scriptwriter is a tool that I created to help me with my YouTube video content. The one I have here, Start Copywriting, which you'll have access to in just a minute, writes any type of copy based on your requirements. Before I demo how to use that, I want to show you how it was built. So we click Edit, GPT. Now I'll just move myself over here. On the left-hand side, we've got what is the settings, right? We're looking under the hood of this machine, of this GPT. On the right-hand side, we've got the public-facing version, which is what you see, when you look at the GPT. It's called Start Copywriting, which is the same name as of my website, startcopywriting.com. Feel free to check it out. We've got the description of what it does, and then we've got a prompt called Get Started. So if you want to use it, you'll be able to, click Get Started or give it a specific prompt. When we look under the hood, we've got an image. We can upload our own photo of the GPT, or we can use DALL-E to create our own image here by giving it prompts as well, which is really cool. I like the one that's created with DALL-E, so we'll just continue using that. You want to start by giving it a name, a description. You can give it specific instructions, which I'll go through in just a second. We can give it chatbot prompts like the one you see here, Get Started, or we can write a more specific prompt, which we'll do in a minute. We can upload our own documents, our own data set. So we can give it our own knowledge in the form of PDFs or files, so we can access that knowledge first. Now, of course, GPT at this stage can access the internet. It can browse the web. And we can see those capabilities here. It can create images, right? If we want certain images in our copy or content, it can do that for us with certain prompts. It can also access the web, so it can find information online. But it can also access our data set if we wanted to access our information first before going out and exploring the web. So what I've done here is I provided it with all of the research questions that I would ask a client or business owner in order to gather the information I needed to then write copy, right? So it's really important research, right? Want to know what is the business? Who is the target audience? What is the call to action? What is the tone of voice? All of those things you want to know before you write. So you make sure that you're writing something your clients and your audience wants. So I've already uploaded all of those questions in there. And we'll have a look at those in just a sec. So this is the configure section. So configuring is where you want to give very specific instructions. Then there's create. Create is where ChatGPT will interview you and help you create something step by step. So that's a really cool process. You don't need any programming skills or any coding knowledge. You just allow GPT to interview you like it's asking me here. Welcome back. Is there anything Start Copywriting should be doing better? Anything you'd like to change? It's referring to the GPT. So we could actually customize it by just chatting with GPT here. Or we can configure it ourselves. So let's have a look at the instructions. Your role is to function as a skilled copywriter. You'll begin by inquiring about the target audience, business, products or services, offers to fully understand the context by asking these questions from the PDF in the knowledge base. Next, you'll generate the type of copy needed, ensuring that your responses are tailored to the answers provided by the user in that document. After generating the copy, you'll offer to edit it based on feedback regarding length, tone of voice, writing style, and other preferences. Your goal is to produce highly customized and relevant copy for a variety of needs, blah, blah, blah. So you can pause if you're going to read that yourself. We can add some prompts or conversation starters. We might say, you know what, we'll get back to that later. I want to just show you how to use it because I'm excited. So let's go back to GPTs here. We're going to click on this GPT. I'll move myself out of the way here and let's click on Get Started. As you can see, it's generated a list of questions. To get started with creating the perfect copy for your needs, I'll need some information about your business, product, or services. Now, you only need to do this once, and then you can use the same thread to write many different types of copy. So let's say you had a client that wants you to write not just a sales page, but also an email campaign, maybe some Facebook ads. You would answer these questions once. You could even literally copy and paste these questions, email them to your client, have them answer the questions, then copy and paste the answers back into ChatGPT as well. I'm actually going to pause this video now while I answer all of the questions, and then so we can continue on with the demo. Okay, so as you can see, I've just answered all of the questions, and you can do the same thing. For each answer, you want to list the number that you're answering. So number one, what type of English do you want me to write in? I've said Australian. Number two, what tone of voice? I've said conversational. We might say and friendly. Number three, and then it goes, proofread myself there. And so as you can see, I've answered all these questions, and it's actually for a pretend business. This is not a real business, but the business name is called Heal Your Skin. The product is called Miracle Eczema Cream. Again, this is all fake. Just to give you an example, the audience is parents with young children who suffer from eczema, and it goes on and on. So you can read this yourself, and let's click send message. So we've just answered all of the questions that GPT has generated. So based on responses, I will create a 500-word conversational friendly copy for the website homepage of Heal Your Skin. Let's begin. Okay, so it's now created 500 words of homepage copy literally within seconds. Heal your skin with Miracle Eczema Cream. Welcome to Heal Your Skin, which is the business name. Are you tired of watching a little one struggle with the discomfort of eczema? You're not alone. This is great. This is really good copy. From a first draft, I'm pretty impressed. Now, obviously, we need to read through it and make sure it matches what our clients want based on the answers they gave in the questionnaire. But it's providing like all of the benefits, join the community, easy to use. We can read through this, has got the call to action there, which is what we wanted. Trust us, your little one's skin and their smile will thank you. It's beautiful. So if we wanted a different version completely, we could just click regenerate, or we could review, as I've just done briefly, and it's asking, which is another one of the GPT's instructions, to ask us if there's anything you want us to change, whether it's the tone, content, or length. Okay, so maybe we decide actually we need a money back guarantee. I want you to add a 30-day money back guarantee. The customer is not happy. They can send back the empty jar of cream, and we will send them a full refund. Let's see if we'll add that to the copy. So it's rewritten the copy again, and now it's adding the money back guarantee. So I'm sure that will be in there somewhere. So as you can see, it can give us multiple versions. If we don't like the first version, there's the money back guarantee. Simply send back the empty jar. So it's elaborated on the prompt I've given it, right? So we can continue working with it, right? Reading it, giving more suggestions, could even change the tone or anything like that. When we're done, right? So let's say we're happy with this and keep editing it, or I can copy that. I can then open up my document here and paste that in. Maybe apply some formatting, and then that is ready to send to our client. Now, I wouldn't send it to them immediately. I'd obviously format it, I'd review it, I would proofread it using other tools like Quillbot or Grammarly, make sure it's proofread, make sure it's good, and then that's ready to send to the client. Another thing we could do is we could say, I am happy with this and would like you to write let's say a Facebook ad for the same product that appeals to the same target audience. Now it's writing a Facebook ad using the same information that we provided in the questionnaire. It's added emojis. We've got a headline here. As parents, we all want to see our children happy and healthy, but eczema, can cause that into discomfort. It's got a Facebook ad. And again, we could say, make it shorter, make it longer, emphasize these points, change the tone of voice. We go on and on. So if you'd like to get access to this free AI copywriting tool, simply click on the link in the description below, log on to your free ChatGPT account, and you'll be able to start using it right away. I'd also love to hear from you. If you like this video, just leave a comment below, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and that way you'll be the first to know when I publish more videos like these. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.